everyone, take this square piece of cloth, fold it into half and then diagonally fold it over. Use this cloth chalk and then afterwards make this curved line to it and cut it out accordingly. Cut out a small portion at the top as well and then the corner. Continue and then make the corner cut slightly more. Bring both of the top ends downwards, add a collar to it and stitch it up all together. Next, take this rectangular piece of cloth, join it together in the middle as such. Now, tag one side of it around and make a knot to it. Afterwards, take one side of it, bring it to the other, fold it into half, stitch it together as such. Then insert something into it and then you may use it as a bag. Next, we'll start off by taking this rectangular piece of cloth, fold it over ever so slightly. Now make this arrowhead-like shape. Afterwards, in the middle of it, make this curved cut on either side of it. Take this pink ribbon and then afterwards, make these little markings to it as such. Stitch it together and then this can be used as a coat. Take a rectangular piece of cloth, fold it into half. Now cut out this sole mark to it as such. Then afterwards, once again put it on another piece. Use this cloth chalk in order to mark it out and then use a ruler in order to make these markings as well. After you cut it out, then this is what you should be left with. Take a cloth chalk and then make a small horizontal line to it as well. Now stitch it together as such. Now afterwards, add this black ribbon all around the sides. Now you may use this as footwear. Next, take this pink piece of cloth and then afterwards fold it over multiple times, make this curved cut to it. Now make a diagonal cut onto one of the sides, then cut up both of the corners. Open it out and then make it more rounded. Use the sides as for the sleeves and then make a little pocket in the middle. Add a collar to it as well and this is what you should be left with. Next, take this piece of cloth, make it a square piece of cloth, fold it over diagonally. Afterwards, fold over the sides of it ever so slightly as well. Make this cutting to it and then afterwards, make a curved cutting to it as well. Open this out, make a small curved cutting to the top as well. Lift both of these ends upwards, afterwards draw it together. Now, take an orange piece of cloth, make these markings to it and cut it out according to these markings. Open this out ever so slightly and then afterwards fold over either end of it to make it meet in the middle. Take the top portion of it and fold it downwards. Add this little button shape to it as well. Now add these little buttons right down the middle. Next, take a piece of cloth, fold over either end to make it meet in the middle. Fold this into half, make a small curved cut to it. Bring it together and then make a small horizontal cut to it. Afterwards, slightly cut a diagonal shape to the sides of it. Separate one side from the other and then fold it into half, bring both of them together, stitch it together as such. Take a square piece of cloth and then afterwards diagonally cut it through, fold it over one more time and then make a curved cut at the bottom. Make this diagonal cut to the top. Once you open it, this is what it should look like. Take a rectangular piece of cloth, then diagonally cut it over, add it to the bottom, add this as frills. Add straps to it as well. Next, take a rectangular piece of cloth and then afterwards cut out either side of it. Now add straps to the top of it. Add a little pocket in the middle as well. Take your next piece of cloth, fold over either end to make it meet in the middle and then fold this into half. Now make this cut out of it at the top. As for the bottom, make this curve cut to it as well. Open out the sides of it. Make the middle more rounded and then afterwards bring this into half. Stitch it all together, add buttons to the side. Thank you for watching.